like how the light's hitting it here. We're here in Tucumcari, New Mexico. Cool. James Dean. Tough on 66. Deer 420. And another old hotel gone to heck. Come on, Yuki. Come on. Hey, this one actually is open, it looks like. Look at that. That looks like Mo's old truck. Pretty. Very nice. Come on. Oh man, look at that picture. Cool. I didn't get that. Cool. James Dean or Elvis, I don't know. Cool though, cool painting. Here we go. Copper tan. Don't burn, use copper tan. How about a nice Hawaiian punch? Oh, here's some more Cracker Jack. More Dr. Smoke Camels than any other cigarette. Cool. Yuki, get out of there. Come on. Okay, here, let's walk. Yes, it's Route 66 and it's still busy. There we go. Nice. Nothing like neon, man. Cool stuff. This is where I need to bring one of my stickers. I got your patina right here. Look at that. Cool as heck, huh? And yes, it's a Chevy. Nice. Man, it smells so good here too. Wow. Old redone Texaco, but at least it's there. Oops. There we go. Oh, the colors. So cool. That. I like that. The colors and stuff. You like it, Yuki? Yep. Y'all just come on over here to the Palomino. Look at that sunset too. Can't beat Route 66 sunset. Especially at the Palomino. Dell's is right across from the Palomino. We're leaving Tucumcari, but this is another one of those motels that went to the wayside. See if you can see the sign there. Oh, cool. Here's the pool. Here's the check-in. There's some old Coke machines. Huh. All right. Good stuff. This one's kind of sunny, but kind of cool, though. Oh, cool. Apparently this is the place to go, because when I drove by last night it was packed. Back in those days, did they? Route 66 days.